Hello traders, welcome to today's Bitcoin and cryptocurrency update video. But we're going to start today with what you see behind me, which is that we have 30% off of crew membership for this week only. Now that is to celebrate you guys in America, all of our friends in America, gaining your independence from us nasty Brits, however many hundreds of years ago that it was. But if you want to gain your financial independence this week, then yes, we have 30% off all of our crew membership options. So if you go over to toroscrypto.com and you click on your crew membership over here, if you go over to 1 month or if you go over to lifetime membership, you can click join now. You can enter the coupon, which is 4th July 30. Okay, 4th July 30. Click apply, and there you go. So that $9.99 lifetime membership gets reduced down to $699.30. And if you are looking for the 1 month membership, then of course you can go back over here, you can go join now, and then you can do the same thing, and it takes you down to £69.30. There is another way that you can sign up, okay? If you go over to wop.com/toros-crypto and you click subscribe this way, then you can use the same code, and here we go. Click apply, and there is your 30% discount. So that is available for this week only up until basically, well, the end of the month. But anyway, let's get back into what we were wanting to talk about, which is the charts. So not a lot has happened, to be honest. Not very much has happened within the last couple of days. We did do the live stream yesterday, which was quite good fun. Okay, we had a little spike towards the highs. We had a little spike to the lows. This was actually pretty decent. Okay, this was our London session. So if we just put on, what are we looking for over here? You had your London highs and lows. They both got spiked throughout the afternoon as we went into the New York session. Got a little bit of liquidity, got a little bit of movement in price there. And then we finally had that move down towards our weekly open and the anchored VWAP that we had from last Friday. So if we do go back over onto the Discord and looking at the updates that I personally posted for anyone who is in the crew membership yesterday, then this is what we were looking at. Okay, you can see that weekly open level lining up down there, and that is the trade that we eventually were able to get, that I am still holding at this point. So managed to go long from that 30,600 level, and I took profit. Okay, so we took profit as we got the bounce, which was back into the lows of this little previous range up here. But as of yet, just still holding this. So still like waiting for something to happen. It's been a bit slow. It's been a bit boring, but it has been fairly easy to trade. Okay. So draw a little diagonal on here. We have this little kind of A, B, C, D, E, F, G thing going on, a corrective move that takes us back down into what is currently the POC of this whole range here. Okay, that's where we got the bounce. We're just kind of creeping around here at the value area high, but if we can get another push out of this, then I still do have targets higher. Okay, so for what I would really like to see this week, I would like to see this consolidation continue, just to start to hold here, just to start to absorb, and then we're looking for a catalyst, really, something that can take us up to that 32,600, 33k level. The market is incredibly quiet right now. Open interest just not really there. So we need some kind of spark, something to bring it back into life. We're hoping that after, well, US markets now back from their extended holiday, so maybe that can give us a little bit of a push that we're going to need in order to, well, basically, we haven't even broke the highs of the range yet. We did break, of course, the lows of the range last week, but we haven't broken the highs yet. This does seem to me to be a nice pattern of consolidation that we're getting now, which could therefore take us up towards the next, well, up towards maybe these highs, but at the very least, we're looking to take out that 31,500 zone and see what happens from there. So really, yeah, sticking with a neutral to bullish bias. Long positions are the ones that do seem to be paying out quite well, at least for myself at the moment. The shorts are a bit more difficult, at least with the longs. We're getting almost like instant feedback with those, and we're being able to get those positions and being able to get those profits. Whereas the short positions, it's more of a scaling in, just like looking for something corrective right now. So yeah, remaining with that bias towards the upside. Let's see if we can push here. You can see price just consolidating here around daily open. We've not really got too much divergences to speak of at this stage. It's just all very flat. So if we go over onto our TPO, what we can also see here, poor highs and poor lows for basically, well, this spike down that we had on Sunday, but for the week so far, going into Wednesday now, we have just a very balanced, very low volume, not a whole lot going on, poor lows and poor highs. So both of these really could be taken out quite easily. Now, I am still edging towards this being upside. That doesn't even make sense. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I still think that, there is more upside potential within this move. We are absorbing a reasonable amount, but as you can see, we did have that spike of open interest on the Monday, but it's just like whittling out. It's not really doing anything. Delta's all the way back down to where it was on Monday morning. That could present another opportunity to squeeze. Okay, we do have the divergence here. So if we're going from these two pivots that we're at right now, we are building that divergence. This is similar to what we saw earlier on in the week. But as of yet, we are just waiting for something to spark this into life, something to give us a little bit more to trade. But as I say, I am long from that Monday POC, from the weekly open, and yeah, we're just now awaiting a catalyst for that. On Bitcoin, there's not too much more really to say than that. I think if we do lose this weekly open, then it starts to look kind of bad for the range itself. I wouldn't mind a quick SFP because, again, if we do just take this range as a whole, you can see that POC down here, there is room to breathe. Okay, so if we do come back down and we're going to hit this once more, maybe we come and take out that Monday low. We just clean up that poor low that we have on the Monday, just clean it up quickly, spike back above, and then maybe we go for the highs. But overall, anything lower than this, anything more than a swing fader pattern of that Monday low, and I would start to become a little bit more concerned overall that we would be revisiting back down towards that 30K, testing it once again. And the fact that we've been here for such a long time now means to me that, okay, if we can't break out when we're getting a consolidation up towards the top of the range here, which we've not really done, okay, you've had these moves up towards the highs, immediate rejection, immediate rejection, immediate rejection, immediate rejection. On this occasion, we are holding, and this is the first time we've really been able to do that. So yes, I would allow for that, but I'd want to see a quick reclaim and then a push towards the highs. Alternatively, you just leave this one out for now. Okay, we can come back and get that later, because I do think that it's kind of likely that we only see one more push higher. So for me, that would mean, all right, let's see if we can start to build, push up, and then we can come and deal with those lows a little bit later on. So yeah, overall, not too much to update on Bitcoin. The altcoins have been a lot more fun. For those of you who are in the crew, or for those of you who are following the trading rooms, we have been trading some altcoins over the past few days. I'm not going to touch upon those in this video, but we do have the New York trading room today where we will be looking actively at trading more alts. And then, of course, there will be live streams to come later in the week. So yeah, I think that's going to conclude it for this video. A reminder once again, okay, for everyone that if you are interested in the trading rooms, then take advantage of the 30% off that we currently have on offer. Take yourself over to tauruscrypto.com or to our WAP page, and yeah, use the code 4th of July 30, 4th July 30, and that will give you 30% off of any of the plans that you would like to make on here. If you are interested in purchasing with crypto, then drop us a message or just simply do the calculation yourself, okay? Because this goes through Coinbase Commerce. Just pay 30% less. And if you're close enough, right, it's gonna give you the access. But drop us a DM, okay? it's just a bit of a faff to we can't give a coupon for that, but yeah, the access is still there. So drop us a message if you need any help with that. And yeah, I will see you all, of course, in the Discord and on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.